There is a lot to consume here.
Molds, it's wet.
Smells horrible.
It smells horrible. You gotta clean it out. There's a car in the driveway. Maybe that's a plus, maybe that's a minus. You be the judge, I guess.
I don't even know how to describe this. Words can't describe it. What do we got in there?
Another car.
Not only are we in the housing business, we are also in the car business.
It's hard to see the potential in a house like this, but I still see it. Whoa!
There's some good stuff in
Yeah,
there.
there's old vinyls there, and there's guitars. Oh boy, that's the new one. Holy crow.
Jerry, hurry up.
I'm coming, I'm sorry.
Hey guys, we're back out here in the field. We got another winner on our hands. Dan, I don't know why you keep putting us through this. And you are going to have to bear with us as we get through this video. There is a lot to consume here. There's a lot to take in. I told us we do not want to end up in this situation again. Jerry said we can't just buy junk houses to do YouTube videos. But
Oh, you said not to? Oh, man.
you didn't get the NOT part.
Oh, I missed the not part. I thought that was a new business model.
Here we are, Dan. What do you want to? How do you want to start us out here?
Yeah, no, agreed. I mean, all jokes and we know there's a lot of market demand for this type of double in Riverside. It's a big reno, but we can do it.
So we got a completely trashed roof.
Completely trashed roof.
Porch needs some work. It's sagging a little bit.
Yep.
We got pretty much everything's got to be touched in this house,
It's
from
everything,
top
yeah.
to bottom.
Yeah, it's everything. There's molds. It's wet.
Smells horrible.
It smells horrible. You got to clean it out. There's a car in the driveway. Maybe that's a plus. Maybe that's a minus. You be the judge, I guess. It's an old Saturn.
We got a couple different options here. We can do this renovation ourselves. We're more than willing to tackle this freaking lemon. In the meantime, we are going to show you. I don't even know how to describe this. Words can't describe it. So follow along, see what you think.
The problem is right now is it's getting warm, so those smells are really starting to come back to life.
They are. We got a rotted out tarp on top of the roof.
Yep. And you'll see that inside. There's like an inch of water. Gutter fell.
Definitely gonna need gutters.
Yeah, it'll need a gutter. Maybe that's usable. I don't know.
Jerry, we can give this thing a jump start, get this fired up, put a little air in the tires, and we got another vehicle to add to our fleet.
That's right. Vintage Saturn. Last time it was inspected was 2015. A couple years. What could be wrong? And they don't make Saturns anymore, so maybe it's worth something.
We actually have AC units on this
wow.
house. So set up for AC. I'm guessing these condensers are probably shot.
Yeah,
But the
yeah.
garage, man, like a lot of these garages in Riverside are they got some tilt, things rotted away. This looks like it. There's some potential here.
Yeah, it's not bad. Hold on a minute.
What do we got in there?
Another car.
There's more cars.
Another car. Oh,
Jerry,
here we
good
go.
news. We got cars, snow blowers, lawn mowers, propane tanks, weed whackers. This is we got hedge trimmers, wheelbarrow.
It's a decent ladder.
Is this a Pontiac?
Yeah,
Dude, you want me to fire this up?
bring it-
Take it
bring
for a
it-
spin.
Oh, geez, it opens.
Wow.
Snow blower. Look at that, Jerry.
Look at that. The inside doesn't look too bad.
Not only are we in the housing business, we are also in the car business.
There you go.
Need an extra license plate.
What's back here? There's some tools. Usually like doing like a wood shop back here.
Grill.
Yeah, there's a nice grill.
Look at the snowblower, man. There's probably some life onto that thing still.
Grilling season. Yeah, this is a nice snowblower.
Tons of scrap metal. We'll be a couple $100 ahead of the game here, Dan.
Already winning. 2 cars. There's a whole bunch of lawnmowers. How many lawnmowers? And then,
Dan, I know you're delaying the inevitable in walking me through this house. So, I mean, you can bob and weave and waste time and talk about a garage.
the garage is
Everything
nice.
underneath the planet. But eventually we have to get inside this house and see what kind of mess you got us into this time.
We got our boots on at least. Okay, here we go. Before we walk in, just try and take in the nice street, garage,
all the positive amenities
of
going
positives.
on here.
Soak in the positives. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out.
Be ready for a blast of Arctic air because it's literally 10 degrees inside this house.
Arctic piss.
Do you have?
Oof. Gas is shut off.
Something's banging around in there.
Yeah, I don't know if that's the neighbor or what. Yeah, so it's gonna get a little wet back here.
Jerry, there's no fuel on in the house. National fuel. We're shut down here.
I'm focusing on the positive. The floors seem relatively level here. Am I right?
So you're saying the foundation's not going to be completely collapsed?
Maybe. I don't know. I've seen bad foundations though with seemingly level floors.
We got buckling floors.
Yeah.
Look at that cup collection.
Yep, nice collection. This is a nice little setup though, right? Dining room, living room, little kitchen in here. This is almost rent ready. Oof. These houses all smell the same.
Dude.
They all smell the same.
All right, Dan, were you aware that the roof leaks and it actually leaks all the way
All
to
the
the
way
first
down.
floor?
Well, I was hoping it wasn't. Ooh.
Oh,
brave.
man.
All right, we got a full fridge.
You're brave.
Stop.
Freeze.
Is it plugged in? Oh, it's
It
well. At
is.
least it's
There's-
plugged in. That's the
Oh,
only.
There's sausage. It's still good. It's still got some life to it,
Not even
Jerry.
that old.
And I knew we were doing this video, I made a special dish,
Yeah.
Jerry,
I don't know
for
if
you
I'm gonna
and
go
Dan. It's all
Oh!
ready. Oh my God.
Oh my
Pass out.
Different
Okay.
flavor than I am.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Check out. There's more goodies in there. You won't have to go to Wegmans today.
Air that thing out. You won't have to go to Wegmans today.
Yeah, it's bad.
Here we
Oh,
go.
we got more buckling floors because all the water is coming down from the roof.
Oh, nice little storage closet.
Got a printer. Might be a little water damage.
Man.
It's hard to see the potential in a house like this, but I still see it.
How many bedrooms do we have?
I think it's 4. 2 and 2. 2 up, 2 down.
Jewelry for your wife, Jerry. She'll be happy and grateful. Look at that. That's good jewelry right there.
Got
Uh-oh.
a tape measure, so the contractors are going to get a head start on this. Got their tools of the trade ready to go. Wow.
Matt's digging for the good
Yeah.
stuff.
There
From
could be
the
plenty
good
in
stuff.
here, man. Look, being that we're in the car business.
Hey, there you
Yeah,
go.
there's the key fob. We're all set.
Programming. That's for a Chevy, though. I didn't see a Chevy. Is there a third car somewhere in the basement?
I'm wondering what's in that black bucket in the kitchen.
That black bucket? Yeah, I don't know.
Well, the bucket's not black, but the contents are.
Yeah, I don't want to think about that. We got here. Black Label Society. Does anybody know who these guys are?
No.
Me either.
Ozzy Osbourne's
Oh, is it?
are one of those.
Concert ticket from
People's-
2011. Is that the deed to the house?
Yeah, some.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Yikes.
Let's keep going. And actually,
Yikes.
oh, get that door.
Shit. Whoa! Musicians?
Again, records.
One of our
Musicians.
fans,
Guitars.
don't they want the old
They
vinyls?
do.
Yeah.
They do. There's some good stuff in
Yeah,
there.
there's old vinyls there, and there's guitars. Some
You
vintage
gotta-
hats. Those are kind of cool. Those are like in right nowadays.
Gettysburg, old fart.
Yeah, some people like those old vintage hats. You buy them at
For
like
sure.
the consignment store.
I don't know anything about guitars. I know as much about guitars as I know about cars.
Me either. Sanic, I don't know. Mastodon, you ever heard of them? Eagles of Death Metal. Somebody was a concert fan here. I guess.
Jerry, you got to check this out because the good news is we don't even have to demo out the wallpaper. We don't have to remove it. Mother Nature has done some of our renovation work for us currently. I guess we're going upstairs.
Yes.
Let's take a look. A lot of water here. Be careful. Oh boy, that's the new one. Holy crow. That is a new one.